Namaste and good afternoon to you all. My dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are very fine there. Today it's me, Meera Basned, as your social study teacher. Alright, today we are going to discuss social study grade 2. Okay, we are in unit 1, lesson 1, and that is all about my daily work. Okay, my dear students. So, before entering to the lesson, I would like to give you few minutes, okay, to close your eyes and think. What work have you done till now today? Are you thinking? Okay, close your eyes and think. Okay, now I know you might have remembered many work which you have completed today, early in the morning, after you get up. Yes, after that what happened, what work you did, all the works you have remembered. I know it, right? So, today we are going to discuss what types of work you have been doing in your daily life, in your day-to-day life. Okay, I know there are many works, a lot of works which you have been doing every day. So, here I have made some chart for you. From there also you can know what types of work you have been doing, right? Next one is there. I have some tools for you also, which are very useful for you, which you use in your daily life to do different types of work. So, and next one also we have, I have some card here. From here you can know many things. Okay, so let's enter in the lesson. As today we are discussing about the work. Yeah, in different time we might be doing different kinds of work. Yes, my children? Yes, you are right. Okay, so when you get up early in the morning, what works you have been doing every day? Okay, so here I have a short list. You might have been doing other more work than this also. Okay, generally in a day, morning, day and evening, you might be doing different kinds of works. So here let's move towards the morning session. Okay, generally in the morning time, what type of work you will do? Yes, okay. So here in the morning, after you wake up, what do you do at first? Do you go to kitchen and ask for food with your mother? No, might not be. Yes, so after getting up or waking up, at first you might be washing your face. Did you wash your face in the morning? Yes, everyone has done, right? Okay. After that, what types of work you do? Okay, brush my teeth. Yes, after washing your face, you brush your teeth in the morning. Okay, then after what happened? Can you tell me? Okay, yeah. After that, you have your breakfast with your parents might be. Yeah, a glass of milk, a piece of bread, right? Okay, yes, you had your breakfast. After that, what happened then? Okay, yeah, you went through your lesson. Yeah, after having your breakfast, you went to your study room, right? And you read your lesson so that at school it will be easier for you, isn't it? Okay, very good. Okay, after that what do you do then? Okay, now it might be the time to get ready for school. Okay, my dear children, the situation is not like that. Every day nowadays we can go to school, right? So, in our usual day, what do we do after having our breakfast? We get ready for our school, right? And maybe at 9 o'clock, you are all ready for your school. What do you do to get ready for school? You might have managed your books and notebooks, right? And you might have put on your school uniform, your school shoes. Okay, your tiffin box might be ready there. And after that, you have kept them in your bag and get ready for your school. Okay, in this way, your morning is passed away, right? Okay, after that, what comes? After the morning, what comes? There comes a day, which is very beautiful. Yeah, so that in a daytime, when you go to school, when you reach to school, what type of work you do? Do you go to school to play only? No, obviously not, isn't it? When you go to school, you might have done many work at your school too, isn't it? So that in all the school hours, you will be busy there, isn't it? So that here I have listed some of the work which you used to do usually in your school days, right? So let's have a look. Okay, so study in my class. Yes, the main thing why you go to school is that to study, isn't it? So the main work you have to do in your school is to study. Yeah, there are teachers, your friends too. Yeah, with the help of teacher, you are studying different subject, day wise, period wise, isn't it? So that is the main work that you do at school, isn't it? So there are other works also, okay? And when teacher comes in the class, she teaches you the lesson. After that, what happens? She might be giving you some of the class work. Right, students? Okay. And another work you do is that you do your class work. You complete your class work in time and you submit to your teachers. Do you do or not? Yes, obviously you do. Okay. The next one. What is that? And whole day you might be there at school busy doing different kind of work. During that time, what may happen to you? Yes, you might be feeling hungry also. Then you might have taken your lunch box, isn't it? So during your lunch hours, you do have your lunch with your friends. Do you enjoy the lunch having with your friends or not? Yes, why not? Sometime you might be sharing your food also, sharing your lunch also with your friends, isn't it? So that will be very much tasty. Do you love it? Yes, I also love it. Okay. After that, for some time, you might be playing with your friends. Yes, different kind of games are there at school. And some of the games you also might be playing there at your school with your friends, which is very much enjoyable. Do you enjoy games? Yes, why not? Obviously, all the people they enjoy playing games. Yeah, and after the games, there are other work also at school. Okay, just like if you just look over your classroom, there might be some dust, some pieces of paper, isn't it? And to clean your classroom, whose work is that? Is that the work of teacher? No, it is your work. Okay, if you have thrown some pieces of paper on the floor at your classroom, then you must pick up and put in the dustbin. That work also you might have been doing in your school days. Okay, these are some of the common work which you are doing in your school, in your daytime. Okay, then after the school hours, what happens? Do you go home and sleep? No, obviously not, isn't it? And after the school hour, when you return to your home, at home also, there you have to do different works, right? So, some few works are written here. During the evening time, there are certain different works which you do in your everyday life. Yes? Okay, let's have a look. Then, first of all, after reaching the home, what do? You change your school uniform, right? Okay, you change them and keep them in your proper place. It might be cupboard somewhere, isn't it? You change your shoes, you keep your school bag somewhere on your study room. Do you do this work? Yes, very good. Okay. Next one. After changing your uniform, you wash your hand. Do you wash or not? Yes, you have been coming from outside and there might be some germs, dust in your hand, isn't it? So, when you reach your home, when you change your dress, after that, you used to wash your hand, right? Okay, very good habit. All of you have very good habit, okay? And after washing hand, what do? Okay, your mother might be calling you for some food and you have that food, okay? After having, what do? Okay, now this time there might be some entertainment. So, for some time you can watch your television too. There might be different programs, right? And you can enjoy one of the programs in your TV set, right? Okay. After that, whole time, all the time, do you watch TV? No, it might be just for half an hour, okay? After half an hour, again you have another work to do. Yeah, during the daytime, you might have learned many things from your teachers at school. Yes, and teachers might have provided you some of the homeworks, isn't it? So, after watching television, now it's time to do your homework so that next day you can submit to your teacher. Do you do or not? Do you do your homework? Okay, some are saying I don't do, is it? Okay, that's very bad habit, okay? Every day you must do your homework too, okay? And after doing homework, it have been very late. Yes, then you eat food with your family members. There might be your parents, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, and even grandfather, grandmother also. Do you have? Okay, you have. Then you enjoy your food, evening food with your family members, right? And after that, what do? You obviously go to bed, right? In such a way, your whole day is busy doing different kinds of work, and that is very important also. Okay, now I have something for you to show. Do you want to see or not? Yes, obviously you want. Okay, just now we have been discussing about different works which you are doing in your day-to-day life. Okay, and to do such work, you need different kinds of tools, different kinds of things. So here for today for you, I have got few of them. Okay, do you want to look? Okay then. At first, do you see it? What do you call it? It is toothbrush. Very good, very good. Then can you tell me why do you use it? Okay, right. You use it to brush your teeth after having your meal. Right? Okay, very good. Thank you. Now next one is also there. So, what is this? Can you tell me, my dear students? Okay, this is a comb, right? And this is used to comb your hair, to make your hair proper before going to school or not, before going out, or even at home also. You can use it to make your hair proper, right? Okay, do you want to have a look to next one? Yes, see here. What is this? This is soap. Why do you use it? Do you use it to eat whenever you are hungry? No, not, isn't it? It is useful to wash our hand, right? And even to take bath also. Is this important or not? Yeah, it is very important because this soap can kill many germs which are in our hands, right? Okay, then let's move towards next one. What is it? Can you see it? Okay, this is a pencil. Yeah? And what is the use of pencil? Okay, you use it to complete your work. Yes, your classwork, your homework, to draw some pictures. Isn't it? Is it useful for you? Yes, very, very useful. Okay, then the next thing also I have for you. What is it? This is a notebook, right? And this is also useful to do your homework, isn't it? Okay, and I have another thing also. This color pencil is here. This is useful to color your pictures which you draw on your notebook, right? So, my dear children, these are the common tools or the things which you use in your daily life to do different kinds of works, right? Are you clear till now? Okay then, let's move forward, okay? Now, I have some other special thing for you, okay? It's just like a game. So, let's go for it. Okay, my dear children, here I have written some of the works in this paper, okay? Now, I will show you one by one, and here on the board you can see, okay? Can do, and next side there is can do, okay? Work are also of different types, okay? Some work you can do easily by yourself, right? And some of the works cannot be done by you. So, here are different types of work, and you should tell me whether you can do it or not, right? Okay, are you ready then? Okay then, for the first time, randomly I am taking out this paper, okay? So, here I have a work. Can you see it? Okay. Can you read it? Okay. What is it? Clean my room. So, tell me or raise up your hand who can clean your room. Yes, I can see all are raising hand. Very good, very good. That means this cleaning room everyone can do. Even the children like you can clean your room. Because cleanliness is very important for us to be healthy, right? So, let's paste it here. I can do. clean my room, right? Okay, then let's go for next one, okay? So here is, can you see? Okay, what is written here? Let me see. Okay, cross the road alone. This is the work. Can you do it? Can you cross the road alone? Obviously not, isn't it? Because it is very dangerous. Isn't it? On the road, many vehicles might be running there. So, you are very small so that you cannot cross the road alone. Yeah, I can know you cannot cross it. So, this can be pasted here. It's all right? Okay, now next also we have, okay? Let's have a look at it. What is this? Cook food. Okay, food is very important for us. Without food, we cannot live, right? So, can you cook your food yourself? Who cook your food at your home? Okay, I know your answer. Especially your mother used to cook food for you. And my dear children, it is not the time for you to cook food. Yes, so can you do this work? No, obviously not. Okay, so this also can be here. Okay, are you getting me? Now the next one is there. Okay. So here, see here once. Okay, drive a car. Can you drive a car? No, I know you cannot drive a car. Okay, now this also we can paste over here. Okay, now next one is here. Okay, let's have a look at it. Okay, what is written here? Can you read it? Okay, everyone read aloud. Okay, it's carry my school bag. Okay, if you are going to school, obviously you can carry your school bag. Okay, so this I can do. Okay, now let's move towards the next work. What to do? Okay, let's move towards the next work here. Okay, here I have written polish my shoes. Yeah, do you do or not? Yes, you can do it. It is easy. Easy work, simple work. Yes, before going to school, every day you need to polish your shoes and you can do it, right? Okay, next one also I have here. So it is iron my clothes. Is this an easy work? No, this is not an easy work. Okay, it is quite difficult because you have to do it with the help of electricity there. Okay, so for children like you, electricity is also dangerous. So that this ironing my clothes, you cannot do it, isn't it? Okay, so you can do it. Now next one is there. Let me show you the next one here. Water the plants. Have you visited your garden? Yes, there might be many plants, flowers, isn't it? And have you watered them? Yes, it is easy work. You can do it. You can water the plants by yourself. Okay, so this also can be here. Okay, the final one I have here. Okay, can you see? Climb a tree. Can you climb a tree? No, you cannot. It is very difficult. Only monkey can climb a tree, isn't it? So, you are the good students, not like monkey, isn't it? It is difficult also. Sometimes you can fall down from the tree. There might be some injury, isn't it? So, it is dangerous and difficult work too. So that you cannot do it. So, let's put it here. Okay, now we have discussed about many works, different types of works, isn't it? So, every day you might be busy doing your work, but some work are there which we should not do. Okay, they are very difficult to, and even some of the works are very danger for you. Okay, so every day you can do simple your own work. Okay, you should not make other people to do your own work, isn't it? Like managing your school bag, isn't it? Cleaning your dress, you should not make other people to do it. You can do yourself. Okay, lastly, there is something written at the bottom of chart. Can you see? So, it is work is worship. How nice saying is this? Do you understand this mean? Okay, work is just like worshipping the God. Okay, so that from here I would like to request everyone, yes, you have to do your work yourself. Okay, now this much, and I even request to go through your book exercise. Some exercise are there. Okay, one easy exercise you can do, you can just make a table. One side you can write I can do, next side cannot do, and you can list out some of the works which you can do and which you cannot do. Okay, my dear children, for today this much. Next time again we will meet again. Thank you.